Hello everyone, today we will make this very beautiful crochet earring design. For making this I am using cotton threads, earring hook, jump ring and pearl pendant and diamond stones, glue, a clip. I am using 11 number crochet hook, scissor and starch and leaf shape. I will connect it here. Now one single crochet, second single crochet, third single crochet. I will cover it by single crochet all around and complete my work. I have completed my work by making single crochet all around. Now I will connect to the first single crochet by slip stitch, and now I will cut the thread and adjust this extra thread here. Now we will make a leaf. Let's start with chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Skip first stitch in second slip stitch. In next stitch 1 half double crochet, in next stitch 1 double crochet, in next stitch 1 half double crochet, in last stitch slip stitch like this. Again chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Skip first stitch in second stitch slip stitch, in next stitch 1 half double crochet, in next stitch 1 double crochet, in next stitch 1 half double crochet, in last stitch slip stitch like this. Now I will cut the thread. Now here it is. Now we will make a flower. Start with magic ring, one chain, one single crochet, second single crochet, third single crochet. I will make total 8 single crochet in this ring and complete my work. I have completed 8 single crochet. Now tie the magic rings thread and connect to the first stitch by slip stitch. Now chain 1, 2, 3, 1 triple crochet, 2 times threads on hook, pass through 2 loops, again pass through 2 loops, then 2, again 1, 2, 3, 3 chain, connect in same stitch by slip stitch. In next stitch I will move by slip stitch, again chain 1, 2, 3, 1 triple crochet in same stitch, 3 chain 1 2 3, connect in same stitch by slip stitch. Again move in next stitch by slip stitch, chain 1 2 3, 1 triple crochet in same stitch, now 3 chain 1 2 3, connect in same stitch by slip stitch. Now in next stitch, slip stitch, 1 2 3, 3 chain, 1 triple crochet in same stitch, three chain, connect in same stitch, slip stitch. Now I will cut the color thread, add another color. Now chain 1 2 3, 1 triple crochet in same stitch, chain 1 2 3, connect in same stitch by slip stitch. Now in next stitch, slip stitch, again chain 1 2 3, 1 triple crochet in same stitch, three chain, connect in same stitch by slip stitch, like this. Now I will make 2 more petals and complete my work. I have completed my work by making 4 blue petals and 4 white petals. Now I will cut the thread. Here is flower. Now we will make small flowers, starting with magic ring. 1 2 3, 3 chain, 1 triple crochet in this ring and 3 chain, 1 2 3, connect in ring by slip stitch. Again chain 1 2 3, 1 triple crochet in ring and 3 chain, 1 2 3, connect in ring by slip stitch. Now I will add white color, chain 1 2 3, 1 triple crochet, three chain, 1 2 3, connect in ring by slip stitch. One more, 3 chain, 1 triple crochet, and 3 chain, connect in ring by slip stitch. Now I will cut the thread and tie the magic rings thread. Now here is our small flower. These are the parts of our design. Now I will apply starch backside of these and let it dry. Now I will attach all the parts on my base here. I will shape it with the help of a bead. Now I will add diamond stone in center of flowers. Here it is. Now I will add pendant pearl with the help of jump ring. Now I will add earring hook and jump ring and earring hook. Our earring is ready. Here are our both earrings. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.